everyone! In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to multiply polynomials with something called the box method. It's also called the Galley method, the Lattice method, and it's also called area models, because why not have a million names for something, I guess. So it goes like this. We've got a binomial, we've got 3x minus 2, and we're multiplying 3x minus 2 by 2x minus 5. Now, FOIL is sort of the standard way that this is taught, but I actually much prefer the box method, this area model where we can draw our two binomials separately on the edges of a box. So we're going to put our 3x here and our negative 2 here. And then we can put our 2x here and our negative 5 here. And what I really like about this is that when you then go to fill in the boxes, what you're doing is you're multiplying the edges of the box by each other. So this edge here is 2x, this edge here is 3x, and when you multiply 2x by 3x, you get 6. X times x is x squared. And then when we're multiplying this box down here, this edge is 3x, and this edge here is negative 5. So 3 times negative 5 is going to be negative 15, and x times a constant is just x. And this box up here, negative times positive is negative. 2 times 2 is 4. And a constant times a variable is x. And then our bottom box, negative times a negative is positive. 2 times 5 is 10. Now what you can do is you can just add these things down. You sort of add them along the diagonal, and you get 6x squared. Negative 5x and negative 4x makes negative 19x. So you'll notice we have an x term and another x term. When we've got two terms with the same power of the same variable, you can combine them. And then our plus 10 is just on the end. So there you go. 3x minus 2 times 2x minus 5 is 6x squared minus 19x plus 10. And this generalizes up to variables or to polynomials of any size. So here we have a trinomial. So the only difference with a trinomial is we are going to draw 3 boxes across. 1, 2, 3, and we are multiplying it by a binomial, so we're going to do 2 boxes the other way. And our first term goes up here, 2x squared, negative. The positive 5x goes here, the negative 2 goes here. And on the other edge, I'm going to do my 3x, and I've got another negative 2. Oh, whoops, I missed my squared. There we go. Negative 2x squared, negative 2x squared. One note about this, you'll notice this is like x squareds, and this is x's, and this is constants. And you generally want your boxes in descending degree. Squareds, then x's, then constants. It means that when you add up your diagonals like we did here, the terms will line up nicely and properly for you. But anyway, let's just do this. So negative times positive is negative. 2 times 3 is 6. X squared times x is x cubed. Down here, we've got negative times negative is positive. 2 times 2 is 4. X squared times a constant is just x squared. Positive times positive is positive. 15. X times x is x squared. And so you can see what I was saying before. You notice how this is squared and this is squared. So on this diagonal, it's going to add up to squareds for us nicely because we had our descending degrees. Okay, next box, let's do this box down here. So 5 times 2, negative 2 makes it negative 10. X times a constant is x. Negative times a positive is negative. 2 times 3 is 6. Constant times x is x. And our last box is negative 2 times negative 2, which is positive 4. So now we are just going to add up along our diagonals, combining our like terms. So we have one x cubed term, and that's negative 6x cubed. We have 2 x squared terms. They're both positive. So 4 plus 15 is going to be 19x squared. Negative 10 and negative 6 makes negative 16x. And finally, we've got a plus 4 on the end. So there you have it. 2x squared plus 5x minus 2 times 3x minus 2 is negative 6x cubed plus 19x squared minus 16x plus 4. And that is multiplying polynomials with the box method.